What would America be without duct tape?
It's the epitome of bootstrap work and do-it-yourself jobs. It's in every dad's garage and every handyman's toolbox. Invented by a woman during World War II, it was first known to our soldiers as 100-mile-per-hour tape. It was originally designed to secure ammunition boxes, but could be used to patch tires, uniforms, and do just about anything you needed to do to fix it yourself. And that's the American way, after all. If we find ourselves in tough situations, we think, we improvise, and we improve until we find a way to solve the problem ourselves. Duct tape may not be flashy or high-tech, but when you don't have it, you miss it. I think small businesses are the duct tape of our economy today. Chances are they saw something missing here in our town and decided to do something about it, so they opened a business. They form a tight weave of value in our community that keeps us together, but too often we take that for granted. Small businesses connect people with products and services, they provide jobs for local residents, and they're often the ones sponsoring our Friday night football games. They may not be flashy or high-tech, but as soon as they're gone, you'll miss them. So let's make sure we don't find ourselves without duct tape. Shop local, eat local, love local. When we find ourselves in a tough spot, let's improvise, build on, and improve until we fix the problem ourselves. It's the American way, after all.